で、菅原さん、もし余裕があったらでいいんですけど、まあ、ちょっとエンゲージメントっていうか、まあ、パティシパントにちょっと呼びかけてもいいです。まあ、How are you? とか、まあ、改善知ってますかとか、ちょっとインタラクションしてもいいです。はい。
わかりました。Okay, dear all participants, thank you for joining us. Before getting started officially, I'd like to ask like those who joined the last seminar, like how was the last seminar? Let's ask the Mr. Konrad-san. How's it going? Can you hear me now? Okay.
I can hear, I can hear you, Chigabara-san.
Oh, hi there.
おはようございます。No, all went well. Very informative. I think a lot of interactions, a lot of follow-up afterwards, to myself, to my inbox as well. So I think it's very useful to have these sessions. And I'm actually even sending now to the SIDFA colleagues. We just did the milestone now in Limpopo province, and now it looks like there's interest there. So I'm sending one to see if they can attend now. So we thank you for these platforms. They are very useful.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm really glad to
Yes,
hear that. Like also
yes,
like the last lecturer Dr. Inada also glad to hear that. I believe. Um anyone here to join the last seminar? Let's see. Amos, Mr. Amos, Miss Amos, can you hear me now?
Yes, no, I can. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yes, no, unfortunately, I could not attend the previous one, hence I've
Oh,
attended
okay.
this one. Yes,
Hey. All right. So it's gonna be a good time, good opportunity to, get the insight this time. Thank you for joining us
yes.
today.
Okay.
Anyone? Uh, Hello, George.
We, al- yeah, we also see the Tibeta Malawi, Patasani Nturura from Tibeta Malawi, I guess.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How's it going?
We're okay in Malawi.
Good, good.
Sunny today, sunny and getting hot.
Okay. Yeah. How is the temperature there?
Possibly around 24 this time.
Sorry?
Around 24 degrees now, with possibility of rising.
Oh, no.
25, 26 by the end of the day, of course.
Wow.
The best time you would visit Malawi.
Thank you for joining us.
Thanks.
Okay. Alright. So、マガイさん、そしたら始めてしまっても大丈夫ですか？
そうですね。いいと思います。ちょっとまだ少ないですけど、まあ、そのうち入ってくると思いますので、はい。
はい。Okay. Alright. Good day, everyone. Thank you very much for joining us today for the second session of our online seminar series titled Directly Linked to Companies' Profit, the Key to Success in Promoting Improvement Activities. My name is Masashi Sugawara, and today I'll be your moderator for today's session. We are part of the consulting team supporting the Quality and Productivity Improvement Network improvement project organized by the Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA. JICA and the Department of Trade, Industry and Competition, DTIC, commenced the QPI project in South Africa in 2022 and established the National Quality Productivity Network, or NQPN. And this network consists of 9 organizations, including JICA, the DTIC, Productivity SA, AIDC Gauteng, AIDC Eastern Cape, AITF, and PTSA, ASCII, and Plastic SA. In this project, we have 3 main objectives. The first one, creation and the operation of NQPN as the implementing body of QPI activities. The second, strengthening implementation of NQPN or Kaizen training for consultants and enterprises. The third, dissemination of QPI knowledge and the technique to broader stakeholders. As part of this project, we are organizing 3 online seminar series. We are very pleased to see many participants from the South African manufacturing sector and related organizations, also from Malawi as well. As of now, we have around 20 participants, and we expect a few more to join soon. Before getting started, just few housekeeping notes. Please keep your microphone muted during the seminar, and you are encouraged to turn on the camera if you wish. And just quick notes, that this session is being recorded, so thank you for your understanding. All right, and today's session will highlight the relationship between improvement activities and the business performance, and share key points for achieving even greater results. Our speaker today is Mr. Ito, who brings extensive experience and expertise in production engineering. He joined Nissan in 1989, has worked in production engineering and supplier improvement. He has helped many companies boost productivity and quality, and is certified professional engineer in industry engineering. So without further delay, let's welcome Mr. Ito to begin his presentation.
Okay, thank you for introducing me, Sugawara-san. Good morning, everyone. My name is Katsumi Ito. Today, I'll be speaking on the theme, directly linked to company's profit, the key to success in promoting Kaizen activities. Understanding how Kaizen activities contribute to a company's profitability and competitiveness is essential to fostering a positive mindset and driving action across all levels of the organization, from top management to frontline operators. In this session, I will highlight the relationship between Kaizen activities and business performance and share key points for achieving even greater results. Here is an overview of today's content. A company's mission is to deliver high-quality product at the right time and at a fair price, while contributing to all stakeholders, including the local community. To fulfill this mission, the company must continuously enhance its profitability and competitiveness to ensure long-term sustainability. The production department plays a crucial role not only in maintaining stable daily operations, but also in driving improvement towing the production system. that strengthen the company's overall performance. Production is the process of transforming processes, resources, material, and machine into product. The effectiveness of this process or the production system has a direct impact on the competitiveness of the final product. Even with excellent resources and equipment, a weak production system will fail to deliver a strong product. Therefore, continuous improvement of the production system is essential. The term production system is often used, but today I would like to explain what it really means. Production activities consist of repeated cycles of transportation and processing. Materials and parts are transported from storage, processed step by step, and eventually transformed into finished product. Production control focuses on transportation, deciding what to produce, when, where, and how materials should flow. Production engineering focuses on processing, establishing equipment settings, and operating conditions to ensure quality. Shop floor management ensures these systems are executed accurately and efficiently through practices such as 5S, standardized operations, operator training, job allocation, and following up performance. In short, improving the production system means strengthening the combined capabilities of production control, production engineering, and shop floor management. Now, let's explore the relationship between Kaizen activities and profitability and competitiveness. Companies regularly review their profit and loss, whether quarterly, monthly, or at key milestones, by calculating revenue minus cost. These costs are generally divided into variable and fixed expenses, each of which directly affects overall performance. Top management must objectively assess the current situation, identify opportunities for improvement, and develop effective strategies. To increase profit, cost reduction is essential. This means improving profitability. At the same time, boosting sales requires strengthening competitiveness. So, what kind of Kaizen activities can be implemented within the production department? This table presents examples of specific actions for cost reduction and illustrates how each action relates to the function of production control, production engineering, and shop floor management. These relationships may differ depending on the improvement theme, so the examples should be viewed as reference points. To reduce variable cost, one key approach is minimizing quality loss cost. This can be achieved by optimizing processing conditions and strengthening operator skills through standardized operations. For outsourcing cost, improving in-house productivity to create sufficient capacity for insourcing can be an effective strategy. Utility costs can be lowered by enhancing equipment efficiency. Additionally, reducing waste related to tools, processing oils, and packaging materials is another important area for improvement. On fixed cost, labor cost reduction can be effectively achieved through targeted improvement that eliminate muri, muda, and mura. Examples include simplifying complex tasks, improving the work environment through 5S, and reducing walking and transport by changing layout. In addition, standardizing work procedure is important for reducing variations in productivity and quality. Furthermore, expanding the scope of improvement beyond direct work to include indirect operations such as production control and factory administration can also contribute to labor cost reduction. To reduce fixed expense, optimizing operations by improving equipment performance is an effective approach. When demand is increasing, maximizing equipment capacity can help enhance added value. Conversely, disposing of unnecessary equipment can reduce depreciation cost. For overall factory utility cost, planned measures such as switching to LED lighting or upgrading to energy-efficient air conditioning systems are effective. If external warehouses are being used, applying 5S practices and reducing inventory to secure internal space can enable storage to be relocated in-house, thereby reducing rental cost. The primary role of the production department is to reduce manufacturing costs, but its responsibilities extend beyond that. While sales growth is often regarded as the role of the sales department, the production department also contributes by creating products that are chosen in the marketplace. First, it is essential to strengthen quality competitiveness through measures such as optimizing processing conditions, enhancing process capability, upgrading inspection equipment, and improving operators' inspection skills. Next is strengthening delivery responsiveness by shortening lead time and improving inventory management. The department ensures a reliable shipping system. By consistently achieving levels of quality and delivery that exceed customer expectations, the company earns trust and builds brand strength. A strong brand allows products to be sold at fair prices without discount, which directly contributes to improved profitability. As we have seen, Kaizen activities are directly linked to a company's profitability and competitiveness. From here, I'd like to discuss the key factors for ensuring the success of Kaizen activities. The first point is to create a cross-functional Kaizen organization. Improvement should not be left to a single department or individual. It requires collaboration across multiple functions. Representatives from each department should be selected to form an organization that drives improvement at the company-wide level. In this structure, the top management serves as the overall leader. The plant manager plays the role of facilitator, and the process manager acts as on-site leaders who support and drive activities on the shop floor. Building such an all-hand improvement system is the first step towards success. The second key point is support for Kaizen activities by management. In an improvement organization, continuous support from management is essential for success. For example, by reviewing progress during monthly follow-up meetings, management can help boost employee motivation and share the importance of the activities. It is also important for them to understand the content of the improvement and provide advice as needed. Since improvement may involve cost, management must assess the expected benefits and approve necessary investment. The result of these improvements should then be reflected in factory operations and translated into profit. The third key point is goal setting. To link Kaizen activities to company's profit, it is necessary to ensure that the activities align with company policies and to set concrete activity goals that break down the overall company objectives. The first step is to clarify company policies and objectives through methods such as SWOT analysis. Based on this, each department and each process should identify what needs to be done and then define the activities and goals in specific terms. For example, in cost reduction initiatives, costs should be broken down by item, priority areas clearly identified, and target items and numerical goals established. For each process, it is effective to set indicators that can be managed within the process itself, such as output per labor hour, defect rate, and the equipment operating rate. The fourth key point is activity steps and the use of improvement tools. There are various methods for Kaizen activities depending on the purpose and industry. Representative step framework include QC story, Six Sigma, and 8D. All of them follow the same basic flow: problem identification, understanding the current situation, goal setting, cause analysis, consideration of countermeasures, and implementation. Within this process, improvement tools such as QC tools and IE tools are applied. By appropriately using tools that support data organization and analysis and solution planning, the effectiveness of Kaizen activities can be significantly enhanced. The fifth key point is the utilization of IT. Data collection and analysis are critical in Kaizen activities, and IT tools can greatly enhance both efficiency and effectiveness. Systems for data collection, statistical analysis software, and dashboard make it possible to visualize current conditions and identify problems. IT also contributes to higher productivity in areas such as production planning and inventory management, and its potential applications expand even further when combined with sensor technologies. However, before introducing IT, it's crucial to first eliminate waste from operational processes. Otherwise, the system itself will end up incorporating that waste. The sixth key point is creating quick wins. Although addressing the biggest issue can yield the greatest impact, such challenges sometimes require significant time and resources. If results take long time to materialize, team motivation may decline. Therefore, it is effective to start with team that can deliver visible results within 2 to 3 months. For example, 5S activities quickly create noticeable improvement in workplace organization and efficiency, making the benefits easy to understand. Similarly, reducing setup time or improving work motion are excellent short-term targets. Experiencing quick wins not only boosts motivation, but also builds momentum, preparing the team to take on more complex and demanding challenges. The seventh key point is the horizontal deployment of Kaizen activities. When an improvement proves successful in one product or process, the same methods, tools, and solutions should be extended to other processes, products, and production lines to maximize overall impact. At the same time, expanding the involvement of improvement teams helps foster human resource development. By spreading successful practice across the organization, a company can achieve broader growth and enhance profitability. That concludes the 7 key points for successful Kaizen activities. By applying these principles, you can transform your production system and achieve results that directly enhance both profitability and competitiveness. Finally, top management should continuously review the outcomes from productivity improvement efforts and actively consider how best to utilize the additional capacity generated. This surplus can be directed toward expanding production, driving further improvement, investing in new technologies, or funding future equipment upgrade, all of which create long-term value and strengthen the company's position. At the end of these presentation materials, I have included 3 improvement case studies related to the component of the production system, production control, production engineering, and shop floor management. The examples here are from Japanese companies, but similar initiatives are also being implemented in South African companies. I don't have time to go into detail today, but I think you will understand the essence by reviewing them. This concludes my talk. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation will serve as a useful reference for your own improvement initiatives. Thank you.
Right, thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Ito. Yeah, now let's give him applause. Give him applause for his insightful presentation. Thank you so much. Right now, we'd like to open the the floor for questions. If you have a question, please type in the chat box. So, unfortunately, we don't have a much time, so that like we might not be able to answer every question. But as long as we can, we'd like to answer that question. So those who have a question, please type in the chat box. And then today's the slide which the Mr. Ito used it. After this seminar, we're gonna hand it out through via the email. Right, let's see. Anyone question?
菅原さん、もし、なければ刺しちゃってもいいです、誰か。
わかりました。Oh, okay, thank you. Mr. George. And the question is can he share the study about the Japanese automotive industry that he shared the last on slide?
大丈夫ですね。今言った通りです。
Yeah, of course. We're gonna send the slide later. That'll be the email. Thank you, George. Yeah, this one, appendix. All right. Devon, do you have a question or any, would you mind share what, if what you feel about it? Okay, maybe he can speak now. Or Andrew? Miss or Mr. Andrew? Can you speak up now? Maybe no. How
No,
about
Chair. No, just to say thank you very much for a very incisive and presentation. I think similar virtual session must be arranged, and we need to, I think, from South Africa, just to expand it and send it to a bigger database so that people can just, be exposed to such methodologies. And thank you again.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Alright.
It's okay. Thank you, Chair. I see some colleagues from Tunisia or the Malawi. Shall we ask some feedback from the Honsini Berardi, a setting from Tunisia, for instance? Hoshini, are you with us? Can you give us some feedback?
You calling Fatsani? Thanks. I can give you some feedback regarding Malawi. You see, what we're doing in Malawi is we're learning through JIC, of course, but where you find my name here is because of a training that we did with the Productive DSA in 2022. And they keep us in the loop, keep following up what you are doing in South Africa. However, at the meantime, you may wish to possibly appraise your system. JICA is also supporting another training currently using Zambia, Kaizen Zambia, which is also training members in Malawi. So it's like we are at a position where we are trying to build our capacity to match what you are doing up there in South Africa and what they're doing in Zambia. But we are still on course because we need quite a lot of information and support from the likes of Productive DSA, Productivity, another Kaizen Institute of Zambia, so that we are better placed to inform and train our companies in Malawi. Maybe soon they should start attending the Africa Kaizen Award, and possibly next year we should be able to field some companies. That's briefly what I can say about why I'm part of this and why I'm interested to follow through what is happening. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Fastani, from the Malawi, even though the hot weather there. And then,
sorry,
oh, sorry.
Hosni from Tunisia. Sorry.
No, go ahead.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Yes, from Tunisia. Yeah, sorry.
Hosni from Tunisia. Thank you very much. So, yes, in Tunisia, we are also working a lot with many companies to implement Kaizen. And as you know, Tunisian companies won many Africa Kaizen Award since 2019. And since the last year, we started to implement Kaizen in Mauritania. We did Kaizen training, and now the Mauritanian participants are in Tunisia. Now they are visiting many Tunisian companies who implement good practice of Kaizen, and we hope that this third party program will continue to implement more Kaizen in others African countries, in Mauritania, of course, and others African countries. And we are working very hard in Tunisia also to implement Kaizen throughout many public institutions like professional institutions and tourism, because tourism and is a very important economic area in Tunisia. So we are working a lot to spread the Kaizen throughout public institution and many companies in all the regions, because not only in the capital Tunis, we are working to implement Kaizen in Sfax, Sousse. They are big towns in Tunisia, and overall the Tunisian regions. Thank you.
Amagai-san, go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Hoshini, and from Tunisia, and Mr. from Malawi, despite the hot weather. And thank you, Mr. Ito, the main lecturer, and the facilitator, Mr. Sugawara. From his lecture, we could learn a lot about increasing the competitiveness of the profit by reducing the cost and appropriately streamlining the labor forces and the equipment. And also, we also learned about the beauty of using the IT tools and statistical controls and the monitors. So I hope today's session will serve to the profit and competitiveness of each participating companies. And I am, as you know, I am the secretariat member of this meeting, and I'm taking the photos of you. So if you don't mind, please, can you open up your camera and let me take some group screenshots, if you don't mind. Can you open your video? Wow, thank you. I see a lot of like South Africans and the Malawis and the Tunisian colleagues. Let me take some photos. I got one, and let me take another one. I will take another one. Thank you, thank you. And thank you. I hope this kind of seminar will also serve for not only the knowledge management, but also serve for the networking among SADC countries, and that can be serve as a basis of knowledge management or knowledge sharing to other countries. Thank you very much. I take all the photos. Back to the MC. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, I think MC will talk about the questionnaire as well. Yeah, thank you. Back to
Oh yeah, like Amagai-san said, like before we officially end, so please take a moment to complete our feedback questionnaire. So the link will be dropped in the chat box. And the next session, wait. Yep, just send it. It's a questionnaire. And then the next session will be held in the October 23rd. The next session will be held October 23rd. So you can also find the poster and the registration link for the next session. Yeah. questionnaire for the evaluation of this thing. Yeah, and then so if you already registered, there's no need to register again. But like if you haven't yet, please use the link to sign up. The title of the upcoming the session is a key success factor in the Kaizen practices and their adaptation to the South African manufacturing sector. This will be the final session of our three-part of seminar. So we sincerely hope you can join us uh, again. And then we will send a poster and the registration link to the email as well. I think that's all. All right. Thank you once again. Thank you so much. And see you at the next session. Have a good one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Bye.
much. Yeah.